Hi, everyone, and welcome to Creating Cards with Sherry. I'm so glad that you joined me today, and I'm going to share with you one of the exciting things that happens once a month. You can get our paper pumpkin craft kits. These kits come every month. Uh, you have to order them by the 10th, and so they would probably arrive um, in about 1 to 2 weeks after that. And every month it's a different theme. And this month it happens to be the ice cream corner. And one of the things that is in one of our magazines is the designer series paper, the ice cream designer series paper, which is right is showing right here. And you can order that for $11.50 and make all sorts of fun things if you want to do that. Anyway, this kit came with several things. I'm going to show you what they are, and then we're going to make some cards together. I got out most of the supplies and put a few things together so that our video wasn't lasting forever. But anyway, Bermuda Bay is the color of the stamp that we're using. It came with some dimensionals, which you'll learn what that is in a little bit. Some twine or bumblebee twine, different stamps. They say, "You're so cool, way to go, happy birthday," and "Hey there." And so you can do a nice little hello card as well. Then it comes with a block. I don't know if you can see that in this paper because it's clear. Um, but it comes with a block so that you can put your stamp on it, and it makes it easy to apply the stamp then. And then it came with, as you can see, I used this one. This is some banners and some round circles, everything stitched so that you can put your sentiments on them. They're sentiment labels. It also came with some glittery stuff that you could use as well with your sentiment. And then it came with some stickers. I started to peel this one off and now it won't stay down. And let me show you the one that has it all together. um, these are our stickers that we can use. Let me raise this just a little bit because I'm seeing that you're not getting the full picture here. So anyway, these are all of our stickers. They've got different popsicles and a little bit of fruit and sun and some rainbows. Just some fun things to use on your cards. And then it also comes with some glue dots so that you can assemble things that way. Each kit comes with instructions, and it shows you the cards that you can make, and it shows you how to make them. It's got all the instructions inside. Everything is there for you. All you basically have to do is assemble it. It's very easy, and it's a lot of fun because you never know what the theme is going to be. This kit came with 12 cards, with four different designs. This is the popsicle with kiwi. Let's slide here. So we've got the popsicles with kiwi on them. We have rainbow popsicles. We have some watermelon with this design. I thought that was kind of a clever little card. And then also we have some rainbow cards like that. All right. And then they give you enough envelopes that you can put all your cards in, and they have a rainbowy inside as well. They're pretty cute. All right, I'm going to put these in here, and we're going to assemble the four of them that they show us so that you can see how easy this is. I've already put all of our sentiments together. And we're going to work on the rest of it. Now let me get those pictures so I know I'm doing it. All right, there we go. So first, we're going to do the hey there. That was done on this kiwi paper with the kiwi popsicle. And what it suggests is, as you can see, I use the glittery sunburst circle and then put my stencil label, or not stencil, but my label, my round stitched label on top of that with the sentiment. And here is some of the twine. I'm going to make a bow out of the twine. Real quick here. It'll cooperate with me. Oh, that didn't work. Of course. I really do know what I'm doing. There we go. Now I got it. Kind of a big bow, we'll shorten it down a little bit. But now we've got a bow there, right? And we can put our bow right in there. And we'll take those dimensionals that I probably put back in the box without thinking. What did I do with them? Oh, here they are. The dimensionals are some little pieces that you can adhere to the back. And you just peel it off and it raises it up off your card a little bit so it stands out. I'm going to put 2 of them on. And maybe I should make my bow a little bigger. Let's see here. There we go. Oh. Now the best part about some of these, with these kits, is that you can do them with your kids at home. So if you're looking for an art project or anything in particular to do, these are real simple to do at home. Or you can sit down with a group of friends and do them. And I would be more than happy to hold workshops with you and your friends, and we can do paper pumpkin kits all the time. It would be a lot of fun. So there we go with the hey there. All right, then we've got the rainbow one, and we're going to kind of do another bow, but not exactly. I'm just going to kind of wind it around, make a unique little design, if you want to call it that. And we're going to do the You So Cool tag. We're going to take our dimensionals and put those on. And we'll stick that right across. Excuse me. And you can give that card to someone, to one of your cool friends. Can't you just imagine your children doing these two and handing them off to their friends or maybe their neighbor or something? I just think that would be so fun. All right. We're going to do happy birthday one kind of the same way. We're just going to take our twine, twist it around a little bit there, put on some dimensionals. Put this bunched together so that it'll be easier to get in between and then we won't lose it. That didn't quite work the way I wanted it to. See if I can get this twine. You can make it without the twine too. You wouldn't have to have the twine. See if I can get a bigger bow-like thing back there. Both ends so it's visible. There we go. That's the best. And you have your rainbow one. And then we'll do the last one. You know what? Let's just do this. Here's my twine. I'm going to cut some more twine because I don't know what happened to the one that I had. Must have fallen off the table. You measure about 12 inches to get yourself enough. Can't you? I mean, even looking at this now, it just makes me so excited for those warm summer days and even spring getting a little warmer. It's here in Wisconsin, you never know what you're going to get. And right now, our spring is all over the place. And I understand that there are some parts that have gotten snow today. Nothing to really worry about, but it's just really different. Okay, and then here's one that can be very encouraging for a friend if you know that they've excelled in something in particular. You can say, hey, way to go, and give them that kind of card. Now, I did flip this. You know what? I'm going to do this the other way, if I can do it without ruining it. Maybe I won't. I was going to say the other way you could do this is not just that way, but put it so that the sentiment is down on the end, so they can flip it down as well as flip it up. You can be creative that way. All right. So those are the 4 cards that they suggest making. And let me see if I can get these all down here so you can see them all at once. And then you have plenty of other stuff. I mean, you can make all your cards this way, or if you want to be creative, you can use your cards to do other things. And I think I'm going to try and make some alternatives and different ideas of what I can do with all of the other cards and things. And so I'll have to post those on my blog so that you can see them. You can go to Creating Cards with Sherry at .blogspot.com. Think about it for a minute. And then you can see all my cards there and learn a little more about the paper pumpkin. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to share the love and share this video with other people. And if you subscribe below, you can get notifications for when I'm on to do a video as well. Thank you. Have a good day.